Hi, boys and girls. This is your math lesson for today. What I'd like you to start out with is to take your little timed math test of the plus fives. So find the little half sheet of paper that has all plus fives on it and ask your mom or dad to set the timer for 2 minutes and see how many you can get done in 2 minutes. When you're finished, fix the ones that you made mistake and also write in the ones that you didn't get to, because it's important to practice it. Even if you don't get it in 2 minutes, that's okay. Do your best. Now, our lesson today in our math book is about tens and ones and adding them together in a different way. So I made a little example on my whiteboard to show you. This is actually the example from your book, which would be page 63. This is the example, so I'd like to go over this with you. So it says tens and ones. So in the number 25, you have 2 tens and 5 ones. And that's 25. Now you are going to add, that's the plus sign, 2 more ones. All right, so when you add this together, it is like regular adding now. You do 5 plus 2. And that answer is, so think in your mind, 5 plus 2 more is 7. Okay? Now you see you have 2 tens, and there's no tens underneath it. You're not adding any more tens. So you just bring down the 2 tens, and there's your new number. 25 plus 2 is 27. Now here's how you write it on a little chart here that I have made. And you'll see this in your book also. There are tens and there are ones. So for the number 25, you have 2 tens. So you see the 2 towers. Now I didn't mark each one off as 10, but each one of those tall towers are worth 10. So you go 10, 20. And over in the ones column, there are 5 ones. That makes 25. Now, as you can see, we're adding 2 more ones. 25 plus 2. And now you add that together. So you have the 20 and 5 and 2 more is 27. So that's how you use that chart. Now I'd like to do one that is not an example, that isn't already written, the answers for you. That's on your paper to kind of help you understand this. I always say this to you, the example is always the easiest. Now we have to do a real problem. And the problem is 27, 2 tens, and 7 ones. 27 plus 2. 27 plus 2. Okay, so first we add the ones. 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there's 9 ones. 2 tens, 0 tens. And now you read that number just like normal, 29. So on the chart now, we do it. How many tens did we have? We have 2, so we make 2 towers again. And we had 7 ones, so now we draw in the 7 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oop, I almost ran out of room, 7. So that is 27. 2 tens and 7 ones. Now we're adding 2 more, so you're going to draw 2 more ones in this column. That's 2. Now if you count this all up, 27, 28, 29. That's how you get the answer 29. Now what I'd like you to do today is do page 63 and 64 in your math packet. And this is all using a value chart and adding the tens and the ones together. So that's page 63. And here is page 64. Now, as you notice, the bottom problems, they are just straight adding with no chart. Except the last two have boxes to fill in. So you're going to put one number in the top two boxes, one number in the bottom two boxes, or in the middle boxes, and then you're going to add them together to find how many in all. And you'll put those two numbers in the bottom. If you're looking at this, the first is the tens column and the second is the ones column. And always start with the ones column when you're adding. So that's your math assignment for today. Good luck with that.